Dear parents and guardians, as we stand at the threshold of a new year, we extend a warm welcome back to each of you and our beloved students. Together, we embark on another journey of growth, learning, and shared aspirations. The rhythm of the past semester continues, providing a familiar foundation upon which to build new dreams. Should there be a need for change in your child's schedule, we are here to support those adjustments with care. In the spirit of community and the nurturing of artistic souls, we invite all students to explore new harmonies by joining our choir. Gathering every Wednesday at 3:30, the choir offers a sanctuary for voices to unite, creating something beautiful and profound. This semester, our Little Lights Choir will shine in two cherished celebrations, one in April, the other in May. Prior to these gatherings, the choir will record their melodies, sharing them through social media. This endeavor not only serves as an educational and inspirational journey but also builds confidence and character in our young musicians. Additionally, from among our adept students, an orchestral ensemble group will be formed. This distinguished assembly of keyboardists and instrumentalists will introduce their talent to our forthcoming concerts, enriching our community with their artistry. As we step forward together, we wish each student and family a year filled with learning, growth, and memorable experiences. May our collective efforts continue to forge bonds of friendship and shared purpose. With deep respect and warm regards, the Harborlight Piano School Administration.